Hello everyone, welcome to the Kapil Classes for English. Let's start the session. And today there is no class. Today's session belongs to some important tips for speaking English because I have received some messages. Usually I receive some inquiries also. They have some questions to speak English. They usually ask me, sir, how we can speak English? How can we get the fluency in language? And they have one illusion also, not one, they have many illusions also why they are not able to speak English. The first illusion is grammar. They usually think if to speak language, to speak fluently, first they must learn the grammar. Is it true? To speak English we need to learn grammar before that, or without grammar can we speak English? Is it true? So the answer is this is not true. To speak English, no need to learn the grammar. I would like to give you the example about Hindi. Everybody in India speaks Hindi. Do they have the knowledge of grammar? Even an illiterate person, he speaks Hindi. Does he know the grammar? Does he know the noun and pronoun and adjective and all? No, he doesn't know anything. Even he does not know how to read, how to write. To speak any language, we don't need to have the knowledge of grammar. And if you have the grammar, if you have the knowledge of grammar, that is good, that is great. It will work, it will help you in learning, So no need to worry about that. If you do not have the grammar knowledge, no need to worry. You can easily speak English. Even you see the example, children, 3rd class, 4th class and 5th class and 6th class, they do not have the proper knowledge of grammar. Even they do not know the grammar, but they speak English. Like in the same way, I can say an illiterate person is speaking Hindi, he does not know the grammar. And if you are educated, you are whether you are kid, whether you are in 5th, 6th, 7th or 8th, 9th, 10th, whatever is that, in which standard, which class, which college you are, doesn't matter. You don't need to worry about the grammar. If you have passion to learn English, you can easily learn English. No need to think about grammar, that first to speak English we need to learn grammar. It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong. Because if I talk about me, when I started learning English, I was not able to understand what was the grammar. And I did not know anything grammar. After learning language, I learned what is the grammar. So no need to worry about that. The second question is how we can learn English: by reading, by studying, or by speaking. The only way to speak English, you start speaking in your environment. If you have the environment, that is good. Otherwise you can join the coaching classes, you can get the online classes also. You will see the environment there, because at our home we do not have the environment. People say, sir, I do not have the environment, my family no one speaks, my friends, my relatives, nobody speaks, how can I learn English? As you have spoken that we learn Hindi by the environment, but we do not have the environment of English, how can we learn? So no need to worry, simply come to the coaching, you will see the environment. Join any coachings, take the online, get the online classes, you will have the environment, you can speak English. Next is, how will I be able to speak English fluently? Yeah, you are. No need to think you will be, you are. Always be positive, because this is not the work. Speaking language is not the work like I am the first person who is teaching you how to speak English, and you are not the first person who is learning how to speak English. No. 100,000 lakhs crores people. You will see crores of people, they are speaking English. If I say you, like which work crores of people are doing, can you do that? I think you will give me the answer. Yes sir, why not? I will do that. For example, if I give you a task, like you have to earn 5 crore rupees in a year. So this will be the very complicated task for you, because very rare, you will see the rare people, those earn 5 crore rupees in a month. That is very rare. So somewhere you can say, no sir, it's not possible for me, I cannot earn If I say you, can you buy a car worth is around 2 crore rupees and 3 crore rupees, so somewhere you can deny me. You can say, sir, no, I cannot buy because my pocket doesn't allow me and I am not earning that much of money so that I can buy a car which belongs to 2 crore and 3 crore rupees. No. But if I say you that can you ride a bike, whether you know how to ride a bike or not, you can. It doesn't matter, but you can speak at least, sir, I can ride, because crores of people are riding the bike. If crores of people are doing that work, you can also do. Without thinking anything, you can simply say, yes sir, I can ride bike. The same way I would like to say you, the language, crores of people are speaking English. You can also speak English. No need to worry, no need to think, no need to worried, no need to worry about anything. Only start learning, only start speaking. As you start speaking, you will not get to know when you start speaking. Don't quit, never quit. Many students I have seen in my life, they have come to my coaching and after 10 to 15 days they left the coaching. They said, sir, I am not able to understand anything what you are teaching. That's why I have left. Is this the solution? Quitting is the solution to go ahead in your life? No. Quitting is not the solution. You need to be regular. If you are not if you are not getting me for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, so what? After 10 days you will get me? It doesn't happen, because if 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th year kids is speaking English, why can't you? You can also speak English. Don't quit. You need to be regular. If you are not getting me for not me where you are going to receive the coaching, whether online, when in different coaching you are receiving, if you are thinking, sir, like after 10 days you quit, nothing will happen. You will be the same what you are now, what you are today, you will be the same. But after 10 days, if you will be continue, you will learn a lot of things. You can say to me, sir, I have question about this topic, and very soon you will learn, because it's not a tough task to learn English. Very soon you will learn. And if you have any questions and query, you can ask to the teachers also. And no need to worry. I simply say no need to worry. Be regular. Practice also. Sir, I am not able to speak English. How can you say you need to speak English? Speaking makes you perfect. It is said, if you don't know how to ride a cycle, you start riding. Very soon you will learn how to ride a cycle. So it is said that what work you do not do and you want to do that work, start doing that work. And to guide you, I am here. Many of the teachers you will find on online you can find, offline you can find, coaches you can find, they can guide you how to speak English. Only you have to be positive. To speak English, only you must have one thing, that is called your passion. If you have passion not to speak English, whatever you want to do in your life, if you have passion, you can achieve your goals. So here I am talking about only your spoken language. No need to worry, start learning, start speaking, and if you have any questions, query, you can ask me, you can write in the comment box, and as well as keep subscribing the channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care and bye-bye.